We are on our way to Magic Kingdom. We got here last night. We are so excited. Stop to get coffee first. We are in line for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and it's about 75 minutes right now, even when we rope dropped. We are going on to Little Mermaid!
So it's not exactly off the beaten path, but Walt Disney World will always be a favorite vacation spot for me and Deanna. This year, we took our friends Lance and Nicole and ventured back into the Magic Kingdom for some of our favorite rides, best snacks, and just an all-around good time. We just can't seem to get enough.
Pirates of the Caribbean is the best ride at Disney. There's sights, smells, and exciting things to see around every corner.
So Deanna and I just did California's Haunted Mansion 2-3 months ago. She says she thinks it's the same. I think Magic Kingdom is much better. Just felt a little longer to me. And I think the bigger scenes better. They have more action. So Hall of Presidents is one of my low-key favorite rides in the park. I don't know why, because I love history and presidents. And it's just kind of cool to see that many animatronic people. So one of the coolest things here on display in the park, they have Theodore Roosevelt's actual saddle and hat. Got an Abraham Lincoln desk over there too. How cool is that?
Did you get it? I love the shape of the Mickey pretzel. I love the cheese on the Mickey pretzel. It's always warm and gooey. So good.
Lance just bought a popcorn bucket. Is that for the 50th anniversary?
It is. We're in Magic Kingdom. I got this awesome green popcorn bucket. Comes with a little lanyard. We're about to try
How much was
Magic
it?
Kingdom popcorn for the first time. It was like $18.
But that comes with a bucket, right?
It comes with a bucket.
Nice.
The wildest ride in the wilderness.
So Deanna and I are about to go ride the Buzz Lightyear ride. Notoriously, I'm better at the shooter-based theme park rides.
He's not.
So I'm gonna win. We'll see. We will update you on the results shortly. The score is 225,000 to 30,000. What do you have to say about that?
Bad.
Let's see, where do I rank? I am a planetary pilot, and Deanna is just a space scout. Guys, we are on the magic carpet of Aladdin because Deanna wanted to.
We are pumped.
She is pumped. There is no day at the Magic Kingdom without our favorite snacks, Dole Whip floats. We are here at the Tiki Room. Interesting fact about the Tiki Room, one of the original birds used in the Disneyland version of this ride just sold at auction for like $50,000. Crazy. We're all taking bets on whether Lance is going to love or hate the Carousel of Progress. He loved Hall of Presidents. He hated the Tiki Room. He's an international man of mystery. So,
What do you think, Nicole? Do you think I'll like it?
Well, we'll see. I don't know.
inquiring minds want to know, what'd you give it? Just out with it. You hated it.
6.5.
Favorite restaurant, I always get the meat and cheese tray, and then the filet mignon, and then there's a full dessert little platter they bring you. It has all kinds of stuff on it. It's so delicious. Highly recommend.
Goodbye for now, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Holiday Road, for more of our travel adventures.